Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the second program in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, the tilt direction display. First, let's take a look at the effect. When the Microbit is tilted to the left, the LED dots display arrows to the left. When it is tilted to the right, it displays arrows to the right, and similarly, when it is tilted up and down, arrows in the corresponding directions are displayed. How is this achieved? It relies on the accelerometer that comes with the Microbit. An accelerometer is a sensor that measures acceleration, gravity, and directional changes to detect tilting and movement of a device. Built into the Microbit is a 3-axis accelerometer capable of measuring acceleration in the X, Y, and Z directions, which is based on MEMS microelectromechanical systems technology. Let's see how to write this program. Open the MakeCode programming interface. Drag and drop the input code block on Shake and click the drop-down menu to select Tilt Left. Drag and drop the Basics code block Show Arrow, place it in the command, and select the West option. Copy this code block, changing Tilt Left to Tilt Right and Show Arrow to East. Duplicate it again, changing the trigger option to Logo Up and the arrow display to South. Duplicate again one last time, changing the trigger option to Logo Down and the arrow display to North. Now the program is complete. We've set up the Microbit with 4 tilt directions so that when the device is tilted, the LED dots will display arrows in the corresponding directions. Next, connect the Microbit to your computer using the USB cable and download the program to the Microbit motherboard. When tested, the Microbit's arrows will display according to the tilt direction, indicating that the accelerometer is working properly and successfully detecting the tilt direction. Did you learn how to use Microbit's accelerometer? You can also perform more tests to detect more states and react differently depending on the state. That's all for today's lesson. If you liked our lesson, please follow our account and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.